Paige, why aren't you wearing purple? Paige, this is the purple video. Why aren't you wearing purple? Well, I don't own anything purple. It feels like I only own green and brown and maybe black. And that's all you see me in ever. So I apologize, but every time I do one of these color videos, I realize I need to go shopping or really just like diversify the colors. Because here's the thing, when I crochet something for myself, I go, what do I like to wear? Green and brown. And I end up crocheting everything in green and brown. And I never make anything in like a purple or like a deep purple, like the deep purple I like, okay? But researching for this video, I found several things, like wearable things that I want to wear. So you might see some new purple stuff on my body in the next couple videos, okay? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, okay? Nice to see you again. I hope you've been crocheting. Now, for this video, a lot of you guys seem to really like the color specific videos. So I've been listening to your comments, and the other color that was really requested was purple, okay? So this video is 50 purple crochet ideas. I love purple. I love a deep, rich purple, especially in my room. I have a lot of purple in my room, but I need to add some purple to my wardrobe, obviously, because I'm wearing green, you guys. Okay, it's rough out here. As always, if any of these are yours and you don't want them in this video, DM me over on Instagram and I'll take it out. And everything I'm showing you will be linked in the description box below, linked to a free pattern or video tutorial, okay? All of these are free once again. Once again, all of these patterns are free, okay? Everything's free. You shouldn't have to pay a dime to make any of these. And if you do, don't, okay? Make sure you're clicking the links in my description and not something else. All right, so for the categories for this video, we've got clothing, accessories, blankets, decor, and miscellaneous. Okay, we've got a couple categories, a lot of categories. This one was one of my favorite color ones so far. I love a lot of these, especially the first one. So let's jump into our clothing category. All right, so for clothing, we have this really, really pretty shawl, okay? Look at this shawl. She's gorgeous, she is beauty, she is grace. I love her, and I did add it to my to be crocheted Pinterest board, okay? The other one you have is this like wrap shawl thing. Mwah, gorge, okay? It's also like getting me really excited for fall because I just feel like deep purples around Halloween are just so pretty. You can make this cardigan, okay? Also, these are good if you have a lot of purple laying around. That's pretty much what these are for. Like, if you love purple or you have a lot of purple laying around, you can make a violet poncho. You can make this top with these flowers, but it goes with these shorts. So I got two for you on that one. You can make this Charlotte shawl. I think I'm in my grandma era because every shawl that I'm seeing for this video, I'm just like, yeah, I want to make that. I want to make it immediately. So I'm aging rapidly and I love it. You can make this flower vest, or you can make a simple skirt, or this baby doll top, which also has an extended dress option as well. So it's a top or a dress. Before we jump into the next category, I just wanted to show you guys this. It's not sponsored, but Crafties sent me a free paint by number kit, and they were generous enough to give my subscribers a discount code. So if you like paint by numbers like me, you can go to the link in my description and use code page20 for 20% off your whole purchase. Also, I just wanted to say I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of this. And I like that the box turns into a easel. It also comes with everything that you need. So you don't need to buy like brushes or anything. It comes with all the paint, comes with all the brushes. So again, they're not paying me to say any of this. But they did send me a code, so I want to make sure you guys have it. So use code page20 with a link in my description. Our next category is for accessories. So for our purple accessories, we've only got a couple. We've got this earbud holder, okay? We've got some bows. You can add clips to the back and put them in your hair if you want, or you can just add them as like an accessory to a bag, the front of a bag, or back of a top or whatever. You can make this puff cloud bag, or you can make these lavender keychains. Now let's jump into our blanket category. For blankets, we have this chevron style blanket. And of course, we have a star blanket. It's not a video without a star blanket, especially if you have a lot of purple to get rid of. I put a lot of my purple in this star blanket behind me because I needed to get rid of it. If you want to see that video, there's a vlog on my channel of me making that star blanket. But you can also make this C2C crochet baby blanket, or just a simple kind of granny stitched blanket. You can make this stripe blanket and change your, it's called the Purple Passion Throw, but you can change your colors like kind of sporadically like this and make a blanket like that. You can make this lavender throw. It's kind of giving picnic, but this one is giving more of a picnic style blanket, okay? Now let's jump into our decor category. All right, so for decor, you can make some simple plant covers to go over your plant pots. You can make a basket, a huge basket for clutter, like toys, laundry, blankets, pillows, things like that. You can make some fake grapes if you have a kid. Those are like fun little toys. Or if you're like my mom who used to have like fake plastic grapes on the table, you can make crochet versions of that. Here's another basket pattern for you. Again, just for storage and things like that. You can make a grape pot holder. If you want to make a grape pot holder, that's an option. You can make these daisy bouquets, okay? You can make some white. You can make them all purple. You can kind of mix and match. You can get rid of some other colors you need to get rid of. You can make these pansy flowers or even a star coaster. You can never go wrong with a basic star coaster. You can make these roses or this kind of viney plant that has flowers on it if you also have some green laying around, okay? You can also make these, what are they called? Lucifer flowers, I think. Super cute, super cute. Then I have these little lilac flowers if you want to make them as something to kind of like sprinkle on a table or add a string to them, make a garland, or add a string and hang them vertically in your room, kind of like let them trickle down. That's super cute. You can make lavender plants. Now, I've made lavender plants before. I'll try and find a picture. I might not be able to, but I made my mom a bouquet of flowers for Mother's Day a couple years ago, and they included some lavender plants, and those are super easy to make as well. You can make these Gerbera flowers. I'm butchering the flower name, but you can make these flowers as well. And now we can jump into our last category, which is miscellaneous. For our last and lovely miscellaneous category, we have a lot in this category, okay? A lot of stuff didn't fit into categories when I was doing this video, when I was researching for this video. So we have this lavender cow, which is so cute, and I immediately added it to my list of stuff I want to make. You can make little hearts with your leftover purple. You can even make this dragon plushie, or you can make scrubbies if you're kind of on your sustainable kick right now. Scrubbies are good to do. You can make a little baby cocoon. I've seen a lot of babies in cocoons, crocheted cocoons recently, so that one's cool. You can make a push pin, like a little push pin fruit, not push pin fruit, what are they called? Pin cushions? Pin cushion for your pins if you sew, because a lot of you guys sew. When I make my sewing videos, a lot of you guys are like, I also sew with crocheting, so they kind of go hand in hand, I feel like sometimes. So you can make you could crochet a little pin cushion for you for when you sew. You can make this owl plush. That's really good as like a pillow for kids to lay back on their bed. It's super cute. You can make a striped fish for your cat or for your kid. Both work. You can make a oyster, super cool. You can make this rainbow fish, really cool. Or even this unicorn snuggie. So the unicorn snuggie is basically like, have you ever seen those? If you've ever seen those mermaid like blankets where the kids put their legs in and it makes them look like they have like a mermaid tail, they're like that, but it's a unicorn version. And then you could just make some dishcloths, y'all. And never go wrong. If you have 100% cotton yarn in purple and you're just trying to get rid of it and you don't really want to make anything with it, make some dishcloths. Now, this one is a crab. So, if you want to make a crab, now you have a crab pattern. Or you can make this little elephant pattern as well, okay? And that is all I have for you for our 50 purple crochet ideas. All of these are free and they are linked in the description box in the order that I said it, all broken out into categories, okay? Linked to the tutorial or the pattern, okay? They're all free, but they're linked there. If any of these are yours and you don't want them in my video, DM me over on Instagram and I'll take them out of the video. Other than that, if there's a color that you want me to do that I haven't done before, comment down below in the comment section, and I'll start to pay attention to like which ones people want the most, and I'll start doing those first. I'll also probably do a poll over on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram because I'll probably do like a little which color do you want to see more? And then you get to pick. So if you want to be a part of that, go over there. I'm also going to be doing a massive fall shop update with like 60 fall / Halloween patterned bags. Okay, so if you want to be a part of that drop, you don't want to miss it, I'm going to be posting updates over on my Instagram as well, so go follow me over there if you don't want to miss out on those, because once they're gone, they're gone. So if you want to keep up with the fall shop update, definitely follow me over on Instagram. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. I hope you guys have a good fall coming towards you, okay? And other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!